Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Today I am going to animate 3D models in After Effects. I have generated 3D model using Meshy AI. Then I will bring it into After Effects and turn it into clean animation. I will show this workflow step by step. Let's get started. Get Pro monthly for just $1. Click the link in my description to unlock your $1 Pro access. Limited quantity available. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let's create new conversation. Add name 3D animation, click OK. Now time to create 3D models, and for saving my time I will use Meshy AI. Let's switch to browser. On dashboard we have a huge tools. We can create image from nano banana models, or we can generate 3D models, image to 3D model, batch images to 3D, and text to 3D model. Also for printing we can use these features and animate. For create dynamic animation videos, we can choose these animation libraries. So first back to model, and I will create cartoon 3D seat animations. First let's drag and drop our image here. Let's drag image 1. Model type, standard or low poly beta. I will use standard. And AI model, we have Meshy 6 and Meshy 5. This is new Mesh 6, and I will try Mesh 6 AI model. And image enhancement enable, multi-view, this is not enable because this is one view image. And pose, I will use this pose feature on characters. Let's generate. Okay, it's done, and let's click for preview model. Okay, nice, all details is very well, I love it. So also we can see here wireframe off like this. So very detailed. It works for me. And we have 5 tools here. We can retry 3D generate model and also remesh, bridge, and other these features. Time to texture. Let's click texture, and we can use text input for create new texture, or we can use image input. And AI model again Meshy 6. Remove lighting or generates PBL maps. Buff enable and click texture. Okay, texture is done. Let's click here, and here we go. Our model is ready with textures. Look these details, and all texture is very well. I love it. And now we can use this model in our animation scene. So let me show some tools here. We can see display settings, grid, we can enable, and statistics for vertical and triangles, and auto rotate. Okay, and we can see solid mode with base color and PBR preview. Also environment settings, let's open here. We can choose HRI settings here like this, and rotation. Also environment image here, choose outdoor lighting and other studio lightings and soft lighting. Okay, now we can get this 3D model in our computer. Go to click this button, and we can resize here, or we can choose format. I will use GLB formats and click this button. So guys, I was generate other 3D models with using some techniques, and here is the results. 3D models is clean, perfect, and very well for create perfect 3D animations. So guys, after generate 3D models, let's go to click image and AI model Nano Banana Pro. Let's write here create 3D cartoon style boy character, and aspect ratio, let's choose this, and number of images 4, and stylization, let's choose this style, and multi-view no, pause no, and image reference, let's click generate. Okay, here we go. We have 4 examples, and I love this version. Let's choose and send to image to 3D. Let's click this button, model type standard, and all settings again some, and here we can choose pose. Let's click here. We can use A pose, T pose like this, or custom. I will use T pose and click generate. Okay, character is done, and let's see details. So very well, all details is clean, I love it. And click texture. For texture I will use image input and click texture. So texture is ready and all is good. So in this time let's click animate, and before animation we want to rig this character. let's click rig button and target poly count, fixed, 10K custom and topology. We can choose quartz and confirm. So as you can see, we have a new version ready for rigging. Let's click. Okay, after topology, we can see faces and vertices. Let's see difference. We have 9000 faces and vertices, but let's back to first version. With triangles, there are 300,000 faces and vertices. Let's back to new version and click rig. So we can see example here. This is T-pose and select change type. We have three ways: humanoid, dog and cat. Let's choose humanoid and next. Okay, for rigging model, we can change rotations, height and offset. Let's click next. And now let's see this example. Okay, and let's choose this groin, move it down a little bit. And other things is okay. So in this time, click confirm. Okay, here we go. Rigging is down and we can see character with animation walking. That's very good. And we can use library animations. For example, let's choose angry. Let's click add. And now let's click edit. We have three animation. Let's choose running. Okay, that's good. And recently added angry ground stomp. Nice, very good. So I will use walking. Let's delete this angry and choose walking. So in this time, let's go to click this icon and format GLB, rigged character, let's enable, and animation all edit. Also we can choose current. And click this button for get this model in our computer. Okay guys, let's generate the last model. Go to again model section and choose text to 3D. And let's write here generate cartoon style 3D bus. Let's write yellow bus. Okay, and model type standard, AI model Meshy 6, generation, let's choose here 8 and click generate. Okay, let's wait for results. So guys, we have 8 bus models and I will choose this version. This is very detailed. Look at these details. I love it. And now let's click again texture and keep this prompt generate cartoon style 3D yellow bus and click texture. So textures version is ready. Let's choose here. Okay, that's good. It really looks perfect. And we can change here like this and rotation. Okay, cool. Let's get this model in our computer like an GLB format. And guys, time to create animation scene with using After Effects. Let's switch to After Effects. So guys, welcome back. And first one, let me show my project settings. I have a simple composition with full HD sizes and EXR image for environment lighting. So now let's import 3D models generated by Meshy AI. Let's right click, import file. So first of all, let's import buildings. Choose this bank, building and bus station, business center and city hospital. Also let's choose character. Click import. And now choose these buildings without character and drag and drop into composition. Okay, click make comp size and okay. Let's again okay. So in this time, press S and change scale. Okay, now let's go to active camera and choose first custom view 1 and choose this bank. Let's move to here. And let's back to active camera and let's right click new and create new camera tool. Presets, let's choose 35mm and click OK. For control camera movements, let's choose camera, right click, go to camera and create orbit node. And for move the anchor point to center, hold control, double click pen behind icon. Again, equalization tool and let's press C. Let's see it like this. Okay. And let's fill up to 100 and prepare scene. Okay. In this time, let's go to 3D shapes and create new plane and go to top view And let's create one plane like this. Ankylosation tool, let's change view back. Okay, and choose this plane. Let's back to active camera and press P, move it down. Let's zoom to here and move it up a little bit. Okay, so actually our animation scene is preparing this down. And let's back to again custom view 1. Okay, not bad, I like it. And let's go to active camera, add light, right click, new and light. I will use light type environment and cast shadow enable, click OK. So in this time choose this environment light, drag and drop into composition. Okay, let's hide and choose environment, go to search, choose here CTRL XR file. Okay, here we go. Let's see difference. This is with lighting and this is without lighting. That's good. And change quality quarter for now and choose this null object, press P, and we can animate pen movement animation like this. Okay, so in this time choose this character GLB, drag and drop into composition and click make comp size, click OK. So press S and change scale 0.2. Choose this character and open inside and animation options, let's open and none. We have animation here, let's choose. Okay, let's see. Let's go to solo. Okay, that's good. But this is only 1 second. Let's fix them. Right click, go to time and enable time remapping. And let's change for full 10 seconds and choose these 2 keyframes. Let's hold alt click time icon, go to play button, property and use expression loop out duration. And for down expression, click this empty area. Let's see. Okay, we have endless walking animation. Let's unsolo. Nice. Let's click this button for draft 3D. Okay, now we can work fast and choose this character. Let's press P and move to here and create new passing keyframe. Go to 5 seconds or 7 seconds. Press N for select work area and move to like this. Let's see. Okay, very good. And now let's create camera animations and choose this camera. Let's press C and zoom to like this. Okay, now choose this null object, press P and create new passing keyframe. Go to here and move to like this. Let's see. Okay, very good. We have full 3D animation is done. And also let's hold shift press R and let's create Y rotation keyframe and go to last second and change rotation like this. Also we can change this. Okay, very good. So in this time let's choose this 3D animation, Ctrl D for duplicate, open composition. And let's change perspective. Choose this null and press U and remove keyframes. And also camera. Let's change camera movements like this. And choose this null. Let's create new passing keyframe. Go to here and change camera movements like this. Okay. And choose Y rotation keyframe, go to last keyframe and change rotation like this. Okay, also choose this build and move it down. Okay, very nice. So choose this 3D animation composition 2, Ctrl D for duplicate. Let's open composition, go to first second and choose null, press U, remove keyframes. And press C, change camera view like this. Let's back to here. Okay, now let's choose this character, press P, choose position keyframes and let's move to left this character. And now choose this bus GLB, drag and drop into computation, and press S, change scale. So in this time, choose this camera and press C. Let's zoom out and choose. Let's move to here and choose this character. Let's press P, choose these 2 passing keyframes and move to here. And we can zoom to more and up. And bus, let's press P and move to left like this. I will animate bus right to left. And create new passing keyframe, go to here and move to left like this. And let's see. Okay, choose keyframes and make it easy and preview animation. Nice. Also, we can add another cars. Let's import, file, choose this yellow pickup car, import, and drag and drop into computation. Make comp size, click OK. And press P. Let's move to left. And now create new passing keyframe, go to here and move to right. And choose keyframes, make it easy. Let's see. Nice. Okay, very good. For dynamic movement, choose this null, press P and create new passing keyframe. Go to here and zoom to like this. Nice, very good. So guys, thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.